Hi, and welcome to Lumi Stitch, where threads tell tales. My name is Jessica, and this channel is about cross stitch. In today's video, I'm gonna review this beautiful mushroom from Painting Fairy. This was ordered from Dream Stitch website because I think Painting Fairy carries this as a chart, as a counted cross stitch. But I didn't want to count anything, you guys. In such a big, I already have enough counted. Yeah, this is so beautiful. If you love mushroom, this probably will be on your list. I don't know if the actual picture is going to be reflecting exactly the same, but I'm going to be stitching this soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my progress and decide for yourself if you want to purchase this kit. All right, so this kit contains 111 colors. That includes blends as a new color as well. And this chart is 300 by 300 stitches. It's not too big, I would say. And I got it in 14 count because it was most affordable. And the printing is very clear. There's big islands of cross stitch, and there is also like a lot of confetti. You can probably see this is like the outline of a mushroom, and there is a lot of grass and stuff, so I think there's a lot of color changes. There's a lot of greens, reds, and some grayish color up on the top, and these are beautiful. This mushroom scientific name is called Amanita muscaria. These actually are also used as medicinal, um, as medicine, those mushrooms. And they say they consider poisonous, but you would have to really eat a lot to get poisoned. In the old days, they used to throw away the stem and boil the cap of the mushroom and then discard that water. There was certain substance that is poisonous gets discarded, and then they would prepare it and eat those mushrooms. That was very common in the old days. All right, let me show you the floss. The floss comes in this beautiful colors. There is actually back one, three floss organizers. No, there's four.
This actually has 4 organizers.
They also have included this as a freebie in my kit, and I do appreciate it. And there was some other things like a timbal, the little bobbins for parking your threads, and some other things. Okay, I'm gonna show you the legend right here, 111 colors, and there is actually colors that are like similar, and there is this next page that groups them all together. So if there is a circle, there is going to be circles grouped, triangles grouped, and so on. So that makes it a lot easier to find your
Symbols.
I bought this with my own money. This was not sponsored or anything because this brand is one of my favorites because their materials is high quality, and it's very hard to find anything good quality, especially in China. And this is a Chinese product, and it's very, very high quality. I highly recommend it. And I'll see you next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!